Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check your battery temperature on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. To do that, go to Play Store. In Play Store, go to Search tab and search for an app named Ampere. Then download the app with the blue icon. And after a short while, you can click on Open. Then you can click on Consent and OK. And you can see your battery temperature as well as other data about your battery. If you want to change the unit of the temperature, click on Settings in top right corner, then Basic Settings, and now click here in once. You can see changes, and when you go back, it's now in Fahrenheit. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.